Whoa. Alright, hey guys. Just today, like just now, I got my second Black River package. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright, now, here you go. Holy crap, oh god. So it all comes in paper, and I got another catalog and more stickers, yay. Alright, so let's, oh cool. Alright, so let's go through all the stickers first. Alright, so I got Winkler Wheels, Black River Bird, Bonsai Concrete, Bali, Black River, Berlin Wood. Alright, so it's enough. That's good. I'm happy this time. Alright, I got another catalog. This one's not bent, so that's a start. Yeah, there's nothing here. Alright, so let's get to the main part. Whoa, dude, it's even bigger in person. Alright, so this is a Black River Ramps box 3. It's actually my first Black River ramp ever. And it's bigger than I thought it would be. It's actually really big. I mean, this is my granite. Yeah, dude, it's huge. That's what she said. Alright, so this one thing. Oh, this one came loose. I got Anchor White, Berlin Wood, and rip tape. So I'm gonna have to take the trucks of this. Oh shit, where's my tool? Can't find my tool. It's probably downstairs. So I'm gonna use normal. Yeah. Alright, so let's open this up. Ow. Alright, so I just found out I have 2 more stickers. Berlin Wood, Black River. Alright, so let's go back to this. Oh, sick, it comes with a piece of rib. Oh, and they got another sticker. So, and they got another one of these. Cool. And I have a purple top ply. Oh my god, the plies are orgasmic. Oh my god. This is amazing. Look at that. Oh, shit. Alright, so there's like scratches there. That's fine though. Yeah, this one sounds so solid. And I got rip tape, so yeah. So I got this. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the rip tape on this bitch. And then I'm going to put the trucks, body trucks on this one. Alright, just quick little thing. Apparently this one didn't come with what are they called? Apparently this one didn't come with kingpin holes, which is weird. Or I don't know if they make them like this now, but this one doesn't have kingpin holes. So yeah, it doesn't really matter because this one doesn't use kingpin holes. These trucks don't use kingpin holes, but you know, it would be better if it had kingpin holes just in case I wanted to put some other sorts of trucks. But whatever. I mean, I got these trucks. I'm cool. So I'm gonna put these trucks back on this deck. And I will Alright guys, I'm back. I brought my black river tool because I'm like that. So yeah. I'll make these holes and then I'll show you. I'm gonna fast forward this, so yeah. Alright, so this deck is defective. The bolts won't fit. The bolts won't fit. I got this one and this one in, but not this one and this one, and I'm afraid the truck might fall out. Like, I'm gonna put this on my Alright, so this bolt right there, that one fits, but the rest won't. Let me see if I can. Alright, but I contacted the Black River distribution about this problem, and I don't know what they'll do about it. I don't know if I'm getting another deck or anything, but I don't like complaining or, you know, just like demanding for stuff, but you know, it sucks to have a defective deck, especially if it's a Berlin wood. You know, like Berlin woods are really good decks, but you know, sometimes you just